This is how your Pride Mobility chair will arrive to you from Wheelchair Giant USA. So we've removed some of the packaging. You can start to see your power chair. We'll remove the rest of the packaging and get ready to get it assembled. Unpackaging the Jazzy Air is very, very simple. We don't have to lift it out of the box. All you have to do is disassemble the box and get rid of the packaging. After removing all the packaging, it's very easy to assemble. Take the two shroud covers off and connect the positive and negative wires on both batteries. Then turn on the power switch on your controller. You'll see the lights come on. Press the button on the left side so the side lights will come on. And if you pull back on the toggle, you'll see that the seat will raise up. Raise the seat all the way up. Next, install the seat onto the tower and use the 4 bolts and Allen wrench to secure the seat. After you finish securing the seat with the 4 Allen bolts and Allen wrench, the armrest can be secured by using this small hole here to tighten up the armrest. Next, you're going to take the controller and slide it down in the end of the armrest, and you can tighten in place with the small Allen set screw underneath. The headrest can easily be installed by sliding the headrest down into the base of the seat. Secure the controller cable with the plastic wire ties provided. Next, we're going to install this little egg-shaped button in the opposite armrest. Slide it down inside and tighten the Allen wrench to secure. After installing our little button here on the end for adjusting the seat up and down, we're going to put the battery covers on and tighten those into place, and we'll be all set. The last piece to put on is just a decorative cover, the white piece that goes on the outside, and it's just held on by a piece of Velcro. Those are available in different colors as well. Now let's show you how to operate your power chair. Green button turns the power on. Horn. Make the chair go forward. Make the chair go backwards. Turn to the left. Turn to the right. Speed is low. You can see the indicator light. As I press the speed button, our speed would go faster. To raise or lower the seat, button here, press that. Side lights come on, and then seat lower, seat higher. The seat can also be adjusted with this egg-shaped button over here. Seat's going down, stop. Seat's going up, stop. We also have little marker lights that can be controlled with the switch here. And on the side, you will see a small light on the side. And power off.